Jonathan here with Kia of Madison. Today I wanted to talk about some of the exciting offerings for our parts department. Now, you probably already know you can get stuff like tires, manufacturer specification wiper blades for your vehicle, and stuff like touch-up paint pens. If you ever get a little rock chip or something, don't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to get a whole panel or hood painted, you can get those. But what you might not know about, there's some pretty cool stuff that's probably available for your vehicle. One of my favorites, you can get a hanger for the back of your seat so you can keep your coat from getting wrinkled, suit, anything like that. Now also, there's lots of stuff, for example, a tent built for the side of your Telluride. I haven't seen one in person, and if you want to order one for your Telluride, I would love to see what it actually looks like. And also, you get some pretty stylish gear. Rep the Kia brand a little bit. So if there's anything you're looking for that's even vaguely Kia related, there's a very good shot that you can get it right through our parts department. So if there's anything you're looking for, just shoot us a call today and let us know. And even if we don't have it in stock, we can find it for you.